Hello, thanks for dropping into the TV room. David Bradley here. So it's time to do some 128 chip testing. Now this 128 has been taken apart. I don't like these things here, the way it sticks and then it doesn't want to come unstuck. But it's the way it is. Okay. Always. Oh, leaves. Oh, come on, I got it. I got it, and I don't got it. Okay, I got it. So, that's a good. But before I do anything dramatic, I know this works. I know it's fine. But I do want to verify that we're still all good. Nothing could go wrong in the time since I tested this. Nothing. The other thing about using a 128 or testing 128 is you need to be able to have access to the keyboard, sort of, kind of, because to do the 4080 thing, you need to be able to pop that switch on there. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I think we're in 80 column mode. Yes, we are. So now if we could go 64, yes, and then there we are. We're back over to 40, and then we can hit the reset button. And indeed, oh, nope, we're in 80. Hit the reset button, and we'll be in 40. Ta-da! Now the keyboard thing is prone to be trouble. I'm going to turn this off. It is prone to be trouble because it's on such a short cable. And when swapping chips out, it's difficult. Now I suppose that would be good. But then there's no room here. So, I think I need to make room. I think I do. You know what I might do right now? Is grab another 128 and snag some chips that I can test. Now the other thing about this is to make sure you know what chips you took out. Maybe I should try this one. Just do it one at a time before I see about making more room here. Maybe, possibly. I don't want to. You know what? Getting the keyboard back attached is very, very difficult. It's not fun. It's not fun. It's not. Oh. Yeah, this really isn't good. This really isn't good. But it's kind of okay. Okay, so we're turned off. I don't even know. And you know what? This chip here is so covered in slime. I don't even know what it is. It's a long chip. There. It is something. It's a U7. I should know. Maybe if I look at this one, I can tell. It's an 8722 R2. Made in the 43rd week of 1985. Let's check the pins. Let's check the witness mark. Let's line this sucker up. Put it in. Yeah. Oh. So, we are connected, but this is not ideal. This keyboard's trying to fall down. We'll turn this on. Okay, are we in 80 column mode? We are not. At least I don't think we are. Alright, let's see here. No, we're not. So that did not come up. Oh dear. Things are falling. I think I know what that was. Okay. Stop. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. This phone has difficulty charging at times. It says it's charging, but then it's not. Okay. So hang on here. We might have found our first bad chip. Okay, we're definitely not in 80 column mode. We'll switch that off. We'll go for 80 column mode. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, so 80 column mode does come up with that chip. All right. Oh, I know what we're trying to go. 64. Yes. Oh. Yes. Let's go look over here. Now there's the 64. All right. Good. So we're going to push this off and hit the reset switch and see what we get now. Now that's strange. I mean, I like it. It's good to have chips that work, but why did it not come up the first time? Very strange, this. Okay, well, that's a good. That's a good. All right. So a good chip has been found. We are turned off. Take our bent little screwdriver and we'll take this out. Set it over here. Get the dusty, dirty chip here. It's covered in goo. Witness mark is good. Pins are good. Put it back inside. And then turn it on. Alright, now it did this before. Why did it do this before? Alright, we're going to turn this right off. Turn this right on. Oh, we need a column mode. We are not. What's going on here? Alright, this is peculiar. Oh. Now what happened there? Oh, okay. Maybe we've got things happening here with the keyboard. Okay. We're up. I'm confused. Maybe something with the keyboard here. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. So we have a good. I'm going to turn this off. I need to make adjustments here. I need to move things. You know what else I could sure use is, well, I could use a Sharpie, but I know I've got a bunch of them here. Because I know there's a lot of chips in here, and I have not done a whole lot of stuff on the 128 before to know them by heart. So this is definitely, I'm going to write on here, U7. U7. And it does seem to be working, but I need to do some stuff here. I need to probably get rid of the magazines, get rid of the pet, move the monitor. You know. All right. Well, I'll get on that. I shall. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.